How to download your Facebook information in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to go to your Facebook homepage and then click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and then click on the settings and privacy. After that, click on the settings, and then what you have to do is you have to in the search bar of the settings, you have to tap on it and then tap for the download your information and then tap on it. When you tap on it, then it will opens in this form, and here you can download your Facebook information like messages, posts, page, events, your palaces, stories, reels, groups, reviews, other activity, reactions, like so friends and followers. So you can all download this, and after that you have to go to the bottom of this page, and here you can see in the data range you have to click on this drop down arrow, and here you can choose all of my data, or you can also choose the data range by choosing the specific days or years by clicking on this. You can also choose the format, you can also choose the media quality, high, medium or low, and after that click on the create file, and after that your file is ready, then it will be created, then you can download it. So that's basically that uh, how you can download your Facebook information. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works.